Okay, we're just going to do a quick little video to show you how to access your Google Apps for Education account. Now I'm on a computer, school computer, logged into the school network, so it's a lot easier, but we'll go through those steps anyway. If you go to the computer, just go to google.tcdsb.ca, so .ca, not tcdsb.org.ca. And again, if you're at the school computer, let's just refresh this one here a little bit. Oh, I know why. Sorry, I misspelled Google. Interesting. What will happen is it'll go directly into your drive. So if you're signed in already, so if you're using a school computer, you've logged in already, it'll do that automatically. If you're not, if you're using a computer from home, if you're at home using your computer, do the same thing. Go to google.ca and it'll ask you to sign in. How do you sign in? Well, there's a couple ways. One is you would use your username is your TCDSB username. Mine's Wetzel M, and then the same password that you use. If, for instance, you need to give an email address, it's tied to this. It's your TCDSB username, not michael.wetzel, but Wetzel M at tcdsb.ca. That's the key. It's different. It's CA, only because they had to distinguish it before your other one. So just use that. And there's posters all over the school that have that, but it's pretty straightforward anyway. Again, but you'll go to this. This is what your drive will look like. I have some stuff already in here, but from here, this is your drive. It's unlimited storage. You've got lots of time. You can go here to create new things. You can create a new folder. I'll just call it testing. Much like you would anything, you know, it's the same folder system as you use in Microsoft or whatever. If you click that, you're in testing. This is where you can create new docs, which is essentially just a Word program. So it's just like Microsoft Word. You can create a new Google Sheets, which is exactly like Excel. It works the same way. It doesn't have all the different bells and whistles, but it has the basic stuff that you need. And then you also go into Google Slides. This is PowerPoint. And again, it doesn't have all the stuff that PowerPoint has, but it's got everything that you would use 99% of the time. And it's got a lot easier stuff. For instance, inserting videos into your PowerPoints is much easier in Google Slides because, again, this is web-based. Remember, this is all online. You can access this stuff from anywhere in the world on any computer with internet access. You don't need to be using a school computer. You don't need to be using your computer. All your files are saved. As you're going, let's just try one real quick thing here. You can name it anything you want. I'm just going to name it. Come up here, name it testing docs. What you'll notice is as I'm typing, I want you to look up here where it says all changes saved. But if you look up here as I'm typing, this is a demo program. It's saving it automatically. There is no, if you go up to file, there's no save here. It's why? It's because it's saving it for you as you're doing it. You see there, just when I hit the space bar, it saves the space. So it's saving, you don't have to hit save or save and submit. Oh my God. Don't worry about that stuff. It's right there. So you're creating, there's the document. It's sitting right there. You can access it that way. One of the great things about this too is up here, when you're in the Google Apps for Education environment, you'll have this training and help. If you click on that, you can search any question. How do I save a file? And it will walk you through a video of how to do it. It's not doing it right now because I was signed into both my accounts. I have two of them. But the whole point is that that's how you can access it. It's really, really simple. The students access it in a similar way. It's very simple, and it's something that you can do. For the heads, I've already shared with you. I'll show you. These are all my files. And for heads, I've shared with you this file, heads meetings. So all the heads have that. So if you go into yours, into this shared with me link, it will be the heads meeting file will be in there. All you have to do for that is click on it or right click on it, and it will actually say move to my drive. Move it, and then it's right there for you to access. And within that, there's going to be files for every meeting. this is from yesterday's meeting, and there's files and stuff for us to do in there. So you can access it, you can work on them in here, it's simultaneous, you can see other people working on them, and it's all up and ready for you to go. If there's any questions, let me know, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Thanks so much.